Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to look at your Microsoft Edge organized tabs. So there is a new thing that's going on right now. So I'm going to type in Reddit here. I'm going to type in, I don't know, neopets.com. I'm going to type in Google, and then we're going to type in YouTube. No. We're going to type in Animal Planet. I don't know. Okay, so look what we just did, right? So Microsoft Edge now has an AI protocol where it organize your tabs for you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the top left, and then you're going to want to hit the tab button here and then hit organize tabs. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically put them um in organized order like this. So battle videos, because this is a rap battle, they put it in battle videos. And then here put search engine, we got my search engines. Now it didn't do these ones, but we're gonna group tabs anyway. And then there you go. So now they have the automatic tabs here. So maybe if I added, I don't know, we'll do another tab. We'll do GameStop.com. You know what I'm saying? And then we'll organize tabs again. Didn't do it, but it's all good. It's a work in progress, but it's really cool on how they have this. So yeah, definitely check it out. It's on Microsoft Edge. Right now I have the vertical tabs, but if I turn off vertical tabs, as you can see, it does the same thing up here, where it puts the tabs up top, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let's get it, let's go. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.